Well, hello there, YouTube. This is the P.L.Z double did car stereo, MP-902W. I'm not even sure what that means. I never heard of this brand before. I just read good reviews, and it was very affordable, about 150 bucks or so. So why not? This is my '04 Silverado. Had this truck since high school, and about 20 years ago, I installed this Pioneer stereo, which just started having some issues. So it's time for an upgrade. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this and give you the review once it's installed. I don't want to walk through the install process because I don't want liability on wiring or whatnot, but it shouldn't be too hard. So let's get into it. Open the box. You get your pamphlets and menus and whatnot. You get your wiring, a metal bracket to install, and you get the stereo itself. There we go. It's actually very light. Oh, something fell. All right, you get more wiring and a remote, which I'll probably never use. As you can see, it's very straightforward. I already have the double DIN installed, so it should be just replace and swap. First impressions, let me get this out of the way. It looks clean, just a big screen and some buttons, so nothing fancy. It is very narrow. So yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna install it and see what it looks like. Hopefully it's very nice. And here it is. It's installed now. I want to show how clean it looks. Blends in with the truck quite well. Nothing too fancy, very simple. Big screen, knob, and a few buttons to press. It looks nice overall. I already synced it up with my phone, and I want to show how long it takes for it to sync. So let me turn the key. I want to show you how long it takes to connect. You can customize that, but I don't care. And done. There we go. Knobs, I like them. Anyways, I think overall it's a good stereo. My biggest problem is that it is a little laggy. I got a few new cars and, integrate already to their system, and they're a lot quicker. This one's laggy, but overall it works. So, you got your Android Auto connection, wireless. I got my Pandora, phone. And then if I press home, you can access, the other menus. And probably the only thing I ever use is going to be the equalizer, but everything else, I don't really care. Because all I wanted was Android Auto. There we go. Very quick. But yeah, once you're in other maps like Google Earth or something, yeah, it's really kind of laggy. But for the price, I cannot complain, I always like the split screen, Pandora, and my maps. So for an older truck, I think this is quite an upgrade. Very clean, simple to use. I've been playing with it a little while now, and music sounds great. Again, for $150, I don't think you can buy anything better. If someone knows of a better deal, please comment below. I would like to, research, but overall, for the price and for what I need, this works quite well. I am pretty happy right now. So Thanks for watching, and leave any comments.